Angelina, you the cool in my temperature.
Hello? Hello, baby. Babe, when are you coming? Because I'm here for almost 20 minutes and you're not here. And I'm tired already. Okay, you coming? In 1 minute. You sure, right? Okay, cool. Love you, babe.
Hi, baby. You right? Hello? Baby? Are you fresh? It's me.
My friend, what's going on with you?
Ange. It's me, fresh. Give me a hug. So.
Hey, my friend. What's going on?
But what's wrong with you?
What's going on? If you can't just come and hug me like that?
Oh, sorry, man. I didn't introduce myself. I'm fresh. James Fresh, the one you're waiting for. I just thought you was going to be in 1 minute.
Shut up. My friend, shut up, okay? I'm waiting for someone right now and you just come from nowhere. I don't know where you come from and you come and hug me.
But it's me.
Hey, say.
Are you calling me now? Why are you calling me now?
My friend, is this me?
Yes.
Is this my number?
Yes. This is your number.
Hey,
I told you I'm fresh. You don't believe me?
So all this time I was talking to you. You fresh.
Yes, the guy was singing for you. You say you love me. Many things. What is this?
You mean you are this guy?
That me. Fresh. You see there my name? James Fresh. EJ. That me. So are you in love now?
Just look at you. I thought you were going to come with a big car, clean and Facebook. But in real life you have nothing
But
like
I never
that.
told you that I have a big car.
So,
Baby, wait.
hey.
I don't understand. This is too much for me. So you don't want me anymore?
How will I date such a person like you? Just look at you and look at me. We're not in the same level.
So you mean that you make me come from where I stay? 75 kilometers to here, now you don't want me. You make me take a shower for nothing. Just early in the morning I have to bath for nothing. I pay my transport to get here. Now you don't want me. My friend, you're playing. Hey, come here. You see me? Hey, I'll slap you. Hey, give me money for transport. Give money for transport. So I pay for taxi to come here. I'll take it.
Give my phone number.
Hey,
Give my phone.
check. Hey, you're playing with me. Huh? So you just make me come here for no
I'm
reason.
going to call the police.
Call the police now. Come here, remove your head so I can slap you nicely. Come here. Useless. Rabbit. Hey, now I get the iPhone, so I'm going to take nice picture to put again on Facebook. Come and love me again. You're expecting a big car. Do you have even a car? You're going to travel with a train, but you're expecting someone to buy a car. Useless. This one here will help me. I'll sell it and buy a car. So now, next time if I come to you, I'll come with a car. Rubbish. Look at yourself.